Marhaba, I'm Simon from Simple and Easy Arabic, and I just wanted to share with you today our new publication, which is Simple and Easy Levantine Arabic Plurals. So we're keenly aware that the formation of plurals in Arabic can be a bit difficult for new learners, so we wanted to make the whole topic, well, simple and easy. So we produced a book, which is now available, and the link will be included below, where we outline first nouns in Arabic, because of course we're forming the plural based on nouns, so we have a treatment of that. There's some nuance when it comes to human and non-human plurals, and when it comes to countable and uncountable nouns, so we have a treatment of that also. There's something called the dual in Arabic, so that's when you're talking about two of something. And then we really get into the meat and potatoes of it, because we talk about the true plurals, then the different forms that they take, the different patterns. And we've broken those into several groups. And there's also quite a number of useful sentences, so you can see the words and the plurals in context, okay? Then we also discuss common plurals that you'll encounter when learning the language, the relationship with modern standard Arabic, place nouns, and then, of course, adjectives and quantity, which are two things you will use in conjunction with plurals quite often. Then towards the back of the book, we have a number of appendices, I should say. The first is to do with numbers, the second, fruit and vegetables. Appendix C is about adjectives, and then professions, nationalities and colours. They have kind of their own unique little grammar, which is discussed in the book and also included in appendix form. And then at the very back, we have an English and Arabic index, so you can look up the words used throughout the book. So grab your copy.